One of the people that has gone relatively unnoticed, and I mean, the media still reports it, but it doesn't get the really heavy coverage that is well deserved. A former Florida public health whistleblower came forward and said, hey, they're lying about COVID and saying that they're actually covering up the real numbers of people that are hurt. Saying that more people have died of this than they're actually telling us. She wasn't pushing the conspiracy theory that COVID doesn't exist or some kind of nonsense like that. She was saying that it's actually worse than people know. And that she said that she was actually fired from her job for refusing to fudge the COVID-19 data to make things look better than they actually are. Now, she has decided to turn herself into police. Now, the reason that she has turned herself in is obviously because the police were hunting her, and she had stolen a computer and was released on bail, I believe it was not this Monday, but the Monday previous. She had essentially stolen a laptop to get the data to prove that the public was being lied to by the Florida Public Health Institution. She faces up to 5 years and a $5,000 fine if she's actually convicted. Court documents show that the state accuses her of illegally accessing the Department of Health's emergency alert messaging system and sending an alert that read, "It's time to speak up before another 17,000 people are dead. You know this is wrong. You don't have to be a part of this. Be a hero. Speak out before it's too late." The message reached about 1,750 users before being halted, the state says. So this woman essentially, in my opinion, sacrificed herself in order to get the information out to the public, that the public was being lied to, and that the real scale of this in Florida, being a red state, was being covered up by the powers that be. And the public has a right to know, that since there is a pandemic going on, exactly how bad it actually is. And it's something that I've expressed in the past, that I don't believe we're being told how bad it really is. I think it's probably worse than we know. And they're withholding a lot of information to prevent what they think would be panic, although I don't think it would be that bad. Now, she did turn herself in on the previous Sunday, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement said in a news release, and she has tested positive for COVID-19 herself. Given how widespread it is in the United States, really not surprised. Her attorney, Stephen Dobson, said on Florida that this was reported in Florida Today, the publication. So she has certainly gone to tremendous lengths, even breaking the law, in order to get that information out to everybody. And there's some strange allegations that she stole a laptop and was trying to sell it to Russia or something like that, but I couldn't find anything of any real substance to that accusation. I mean, if there is, please, by all means, send it to me, because I wasn't able to find anything. But essentially what we have here is a whistleblower that's trying to tell the public exactly how bad things are. And you have the state trying to essentially silence her. And I would think, and this is my opinion, that she should have every protection afforded to any whistleblower, for whatever a whistleblower's protection is even worth in the United States. Thank you for watching. If you like this program, then please head over to my Patreon page and set up a monthly donation. It's your donations that keep this program running. Also, if you would like, please rate, comment, subscribe, and share in various social media.